Nestled along the border of China and North Korea, Changbai Mountain, also known as the Ever-White Mountain, stands as one of Northeast Asia's most breathtaking natural wonders. This majestic mountain range, stretching across Jilin Province in China, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, unique geology, rich biodiversity, and deep cultural significance. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Changbai Mountain's fascinating geological features, its famous landmarks, thrilling tourist experiences, ecological importance, and ongoing efforts towards sustainable conservation. Changbai Mountain is a volcanic mountain range formed through dramatic geological activity over millions of years. Its centerpiece is the Tianqi, or Heaven Lake, a striking crater lake sitting atop the mountain's highest peak at 2,744 meters, 9,003 feet. This caldera lake was created by a massive volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, leaving behind a unique landscape of steep cliffs, hot springs, and mineral-rich soil. The region's topography is marked by rugged peaks, deep valleys, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls. The mountain experiences a cool, temperate climate with heavy snowfall in winter, contributing to its ever-white appearance. The diverse elevation zones give rise to a variety of ecosystems, from broadleaf deciduous forests at lower levels to alpine meadows near the summit. This natural diversity supports an abundance of plant and animal species, some of which are endemic or endangered. Changbai Mountain is home to several iconic sites that attract visitors from around the world. Heaven Lake remains the most celebrated attraction, revered for its crystal-clear blue waters surrounded by towering volcanic cliffs. Visitors often hike to the lake's rim to witness this spectacular sight, a symbol of natural beauty and spiritual significance in local folklore. Nearby, the Changbai Waterfall, cascading over 68 meters, offers a breathtaking display of nature's power. The mountain's hot springs, rich in minerals, provide a relaxing retreat for tourists seeking wellness and rejuvenation. The forested areas around Changbai are also popular for their vibrant autumn colors and unique flora, such as the Manchurian fir and Korean pine. Additionally, several cultural landmarks dot the region, including temples and shrines that reflect the heritage of the ethnic groups who have long inhabited the area. These sites offer visitors a glimpse into the mountain's historical and spiritual layers. For adventure enthusiasts, Changbai Mountain offers a playground of outdoor activities. Hiking trails of varying difficulty lead adventurers through pristine forests, volcanic landscapes, and alpine meadows. Winter sports like skiing and snowboarding are also popular, thanks to the region's reliable snowfall. Ecotourism plays a vital role here, encouraging visitors to experience the mountain's natural beauty while promoting environmental awareness. Guided tours educate travelers about local wildlife, geological history, and conservation efforts. Birdwatching, camping, and photography are common activities that allow tourists to connect deeply with the landscape. The mountain's remoteness adds to its allure, promising a sense of discovery and tranquility away from urban life. Whether you seek adrenaline-filled adventures or peaceful nature walks, Changbai Mountain caters to all kinds of travelers. Beyond its scenic grandeur, Changbai Mountain plays a crucial role in maintaining the regional ecosystem. The vast forests act as carbon sinks, helping to mitigate climate change, while the waters of Heaven Lake and surrounding streams provide fresh water to nearby communities. The mountain is a habitat for rare species such as the Siberian tiger, Amur leopard, and Asiatic black bear, highlighting its importance as a biodiversity hotspot. For local communities, Changbai Mountain holds cultural, economic, and spiritual value. It supports livelihoods through tourism, forestry, and traditional medicinal plant harvesting. Many ethnic groups regard the mountain as sacred, integrating it into their rituals and folklore, thus reinforcing a profound connection between people and nature. Recognizing the mountain's ecological and cultural importance, Chinese authorities have implemented various conservation measures to protect Changbai Mountain's unique environment. The area is designated as a nature reserve and part of a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, ensuring international attention and support for its preservation. Efforts focus on balancing tourism development with ecological sustainability. Infrastructure improvements aim to minimize environmental impact, while awareness campaigns promote responsible visitor behavior. Local communities are engaged in conservation programs, empowering them to manage natural resources sustainably. Ongoing research monitors biodiversity and climate trends to inform adaptive management strategies. This integrated approach helps safeguard Changbai Mountain for future generations, preserving both its natural splendor and cultural heritage. Changbai Mountain stands as a majestic symbol of nature's power and beauty, offering a remarkable blend of geology, ecology, adventure, and culture. From the tranquil blue waters of Heaven Lake to the vibrant forests and thrilling hiking trails, it invites travelers to explore, discover, and connect with one of China's most treasured landscapes. As efforts towards sustainable conservation continue, Changbai Mountain will remain a pristine sanctuary, an enduring testament to the harmony between humans and nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Changbai Mountain, a true jewel of Jilin and a wonder of Northeast Asia.